All right, we are going to look at Shiba. So just to get a visual kind of on what is going on with Shiba, zooming out to the weekly chart, this is the Coinbase chart. You can see how this thing's been going down forever. And we are once again here at this point, back where we were in September of 2021. You can see this support here. This is exactly where we are right now off of this higher low here. So there is a potential for the bottom to be in for Shiba here. That is very possible in my opinion. So we're going to switch back to the daily chart here. We are going to zoom back into where we looked at this thing last time. And you can see that from this low back here in June, we are making a higher low here. So if we hold support and we do not fall any lower than we are now, I would make a strong case that the bottom is in here for Shiba. We do have a tinier fib drawn on the chart, I believe, from that low to the high, just to kind of show you guys where we were getting these little bounces from. And you can see that is right on that 1272 here at 6.7. So we're going to get that tiny fib off of the chart. And ultimately, you can see that once we took out the support at this 786 at 715, on that smaller fib, we are holding that support, a little double bottom potentially here. But I would say overall, it doesn't look great overall. But in the short term here, if this higher low can maintain, if you can stay above that 6-7 area here, there's a potential that you're putting in a bottom here and you're about to move higher. Because once I showed you at the beginning of the video that this price that we're at right now is that low from that 2021 low. So this could potentially be our bottom here. If we end up falling down, let me go ahead and mark the bottom here once again with a green line at that 6.0 price mark here. Like I said, if you fall any lower than we are right now, then Shiba's about to fall down about almost 13%, and then probably way lower than that. You can see we have a 1272 down here with this red line all the way at 4.5. So if this is not the bottom for Shiba, then you are going to get Shiba for a lot cheaper here. So that 6.0 for a 13% drop, and then potentially all the way down here for a 34% drop down to that 4.5 level. And if we once again zoom out to the weekly chart to look at those levels that we have here, you can see that green line and that red line here. That green line is that it corresponds exactly with the wick back here from September, early September of 2021 here. So that could potentially be a low on Shiba at 6. Any lower than 6, then it's anybody's guess how low Shiba's going to go to these prices here. So we will leave it at that for now on Shiba. Just wanted to point that out. Either the bottom is in or you're about to fall off the table here, and I would say look out below. But if you're still bullish on Shiba, which I know a lot of you guys are, then look at these lower price targets as potential buying points, especially the 6.0 mark here. If we maybe spike down to that 6.0, that could end up being the bottom where we do maybe even a V recovery for something like that. So just keep an eye on those downward prices. If for some reason that support level here holds at that 6.7 area, which we showed you from that smaller fib, then you need to get over 715 here for a 4% move. You do have all the moving averages, as you can see here. And then ultimately up here to our green box at the 618 at 8.0. A break over our green box here, that is a 16% move from where you are right now. A break over this green box, then the bullish momentum is going to come back in on Shiba here for moves to higher price targets. So we will leave it at that for now on Shiba. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching. You can see the Heikin-Ashi candles are indecisive pretty much forever here since this drop. So with all that said, good luck. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.